Now I don't manually type user ID or password in GST portal. I rather click a button in my Excel sheet and my computer automatically types my user ID and password every time for me. If you are a tax consultant or a business owner and you have not one, not two, but more than 100 GST numbers, and you have to log in to GST portal for all the GST numbers very frequently, you can use Excel to do this automatically without manually typing user ID and password. Here's how we can do this. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: automating web form filling with VBA. Have you ever wanted to automate the process of filling in online forms, like login or registration pages? Well, you are in the right place. For this, we will be using Excel VBA functionality. We will open a new Excel sheet and press Alt plus F11. This will open the Excel VBA page. Here we will write script or code to do this. We will be using send keys functionality to perform this. Now, we need to navigate to the tab Insert and then click on Module. Copy the code and paste in the module. I had shared the code in the description. This code will use the column D for user ID and column E for password. So please, copy and paste your ID in column D and password in column E. We will now add Developer tab in our Excel sheet. For this we need to right-click on any of the tab in the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. We will get a pop-up window. Check right on Developer option and click OK. Now you will be able to see Developer tab in your Excel sheet. Let's now prepare our template for this. We will here put company name, state name, GST number, user ID and password. Let's now create a login button to fully automate the login process. With this button, we will be able to copy-paste our user ID and password without manually typing it. For this we need to click on Insert button in Developer tab and select Rectangle button from the options available. We will now draw a rectangle button. We will use this as a login button. Let's now code. Press Alt plus F11 again. This code is in the description. Now as we have 10 GST numbers, we will have to make 10 modules. So, please create 10 modules. Now copy the code from module 1 and paste in all of the modules. Let's now save this workbook as a macro-enabled sheet. To do this, press Ctrl plus S. You will get a pop-up window. Here, select No and save it as macro-enabled sheet as shown. We have reached the final stage of this automation here. We will now assign each module we created to each login button we created in this. For this, we will right-click on Login button we created and select Assign Macro. Please note, we will have to do it serially. For example, we will assign Module 1 macro to first Login button. Repeat this for all the login buttons as shown. Now press Alt plus F11 again. We will now adjust our code for all the login ID and passwords. We will adjust our code according to row number of the sheet. Watch the video carefully and repeat the process for all the modules. Alright, we are all set. Now click on the login button and you will see the magic happening. Subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this.